Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
If the iOS update is still downloading or preparing, you can stop it quickly. Turn on airplane mode to cut wireless connections immediately. Then disable Wi-Fi in Control Center to prevent further data transfer. Open Settings and go to General, then iPhone Storage to find the iOS update file. Tap the update and choose Delete Update to remove it from device storage. Finally, restart your iPhone to clear temporary files and ensure the update will not resume automatically. After removing the update, prevent automatic reinstall to avoid surprises. Open Settings, choose General, then Software Update, and tap Automatic Updates to disable it. Keep airplane mode enabled until you confirm the update is gone from iPhone storage. When you re-enable Wi-Fi, avoid networks that might push the update automatically. Only use manual software update checks when you are ready to install. This ensures you control when an iOS. If the device shows the Apple logo or an installation progress bar, you cannot safely cancel the process. Try a force restart first to recover from minor hangs or freezes. If the phone remains stuck, connect it to a Mac or PC and enter recovery mode for a restore. Use Finder or iTunes to reinstall iOS and choose Restore if necessary. After a successful restore, recover your personal data from a backup to return the device to your prior working state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.